Hello, I am Fotula Dreamy. I'm a shamanic teacher, member of the Shamans Directory and shamanicteachers.com, and I have been practicing soul retrieval for almost 20 years. So what is shamanic soul retrieval? It is one of the most fundamental teachings of shamanism found in so many traditions. I have experienced a shamanic soul retrieval by Tibetan lamas and rinpoches, in the Himalayan shamanism by Himalayan shamans. I have seen the Native American soul retrieval practices, and I also have the soul retrieval teachings from classic or core shamanism that I have been both empowered and given permission to share. And the soul retrieval training is 5 days. It is an advanced training for those people who wish to become soul carriers, who wish to help others retrieve their soul essence. Because in shamanism we say that when we go through trauma, through shock, through dissociation, part of our soul leaves the body and is stuck in what happened. So we may feel sometimes that there is a part of us missing, that we are not fully here, we're not complete, and we do not want to be here. And we carry the regret of what happened. Sometimes that brings a big spiritual block that we cannot move forward, and we are not able to feel empowered in our lives and embrace life. So soul retrieval training is both an incredible healing and part of our soul's journey of evolution. It's a spiritual teaching in itself, and some people do it for themselves because during the course everybody has the opportunity to receive a soul retrieval, but it's also a teaching for practicing soul retrieval with other people. And the reason that it takes 5 days is because it is a very sacred teaching. For those people who have experienced shamanic practice, they know how to journey. Maybe they did the soul retrieval course that they find is not giving them the tools that they need to support their clients, or they wish to expand further and also understand their own life journey, how to walk their path of life and have a sense of freedom. So if you are interested in the course, we will also be sharing another teaching called soul remembering, because for some people this is actually more important, and it is reconnecting with the intention that the soul had before incarnating on earth. This is a big part of this work and should be taught together with soul retrieval, as well as releasing the soul parts of others we may be carrying. What we find in soul retrieval work is that sometimes we carry other people in our body. We carry other people because we cannot let them go, or they want us to take responsibility for them, and that becomes a big burden. And so we do not have the power to carry ourselves. So during this process, we will learn how to release those soul parts that belong to others. And also we will learn that each part of our body also has a soul and consciousness. And it is really interesting when we look at our body and see, is every part of our body here in what we call the middle world? That is an incredible teaching coming from Siberian shamanism. And it is a teaching that really speaks to my heart. And if it speaks to your heart, maybe you wish to come and do the work as well. If you are interested, drop me a line. Thank you.